Let me give you a hard scramble.
What?
Very hard. Are you ready?
Last game we did was like, I had to use like 4 moves.
You want to hold it? Watch.
I'm watching. I won't watch. Oh God. Please.
Tell me when you want me to stop.
You can stop whenever you want
Tell
to
me
stop.
when you want me to stop.
Just stop then. I don't know.
Ready?
Yeah. What? I thought I said stop.
Here you
Take that.
go. Go. What do you think?
What do you mean? What am I thinking, or
Yeah.
like what do
How's
I
it
think?
going?
Pretty good so far.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, wait.
Is it hard or easy?
This bit's probably the easiest.
Oh my goodness.
This is easy. So you should walk that. It's kind of a forest. What do you think? Do you know this game? You should see down. It's available. Oh, how much of this? It's available on Android and Apple. You can receive your phone at a website you get a book for you.
How are you going?
Good.
Nearly finished?
Uh,
What are you doing? How are you solving it?
algorithms. Nearly finished. Just these last 3 corners.
Let's see. You must be so clever from your dad, I think.
Why do I have to do the long version? Just give me luck. Just make it lucky.
Let's see. Let's see.
That's it.
Well, let's see it all.
That's it.
What do you think?
Good.
Well done, Vanda!